All right, so we're continuing to practice solving inequalities with multiplication and division and graphing them. So I'm going to do number 14 with you, and then you're going to have to finish 10 through 13 on your own. On number 14, it says a pool charges $4 for each visit, or you could buy a membership. We're going to write an inequality to find out how many times a person should use the pool so that the membership is less expensive than paying each time. And then we need to interpret that solution. So if you look over here at the card, you can go to the pool for 3 months and pay $100. So each time you go to the pool in that 3 months time, you don't have to pay, you can just go in because you've already paid your dues. Or you could do the option where every time you went to the pool, you just paid them $4. That's the difference between the two. So if we just went to the pool and paid each time, we would pay $4 times the number of time we visited. We don't know how many that's going to be, so it's our variable x. But we do want that to be the more expensive or greater than our membership, because that's what we're trying to figure out, is where is our membership going to be the least expensive option. And then our membership is $100. Okay, so to solve this inequality, we're going to draw a line down the middle. We're always going to do the opposite operation. The opposite of multiplying is dividing, so I'm going to divide by 4. What you do to one side, you always do to the other. X is greater than 100 divided by 4 is 25. So that's your answer. So this interpreting part, though, you need to say, what does that x is greater than 25 mean? Well, it means that in order for the membership to be the less expensive option, you need to go to the pool more than 25 times. Otherwise, it's cheaper to just pay each time that you go. Okay, so your assignment is to do number 10 through 13. I know yesterday when I was doing example problems, I didn't graph the solutions. I do want you to graph them. So just a quick review on graphing them. If you have a greater than or less than sign, your circle is going to be open because it can't equal that number. And then your arrows for greater than, you would have it going towards the greater numbers. If it's less than, you have it going towards the lesser numbers. If you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, since it could equal those numbers, you have a closed dot. And then again, if it's less than, your arrow goes to where the numbers are less than. If it's greater than, your arrows go to where the numbers are greater than. I will say, make sure that you watch number 11 because the T doesn't come first. So you might be like me and want to rewrite the problem so that T does come on the left-hand side. Maybe you don't, I don't know. Also, don't forget that when you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, your sign switches.